Hello, good morning friends. Myself M. Jadov, Physics, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nanded. Now friends, in today's class we are going to discuss the topic that is numerical examples. We are going to discuss some numerical example based on the topic electric field and electric dipole. Because in last periods we have discussed the concept of electric charge, its property, then concept of electric field, the formula for the electric field, then the concept of electric force, then electric dipole, then the concept of electric dipole moment, then when the electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, it experiences a torque. As well we have seen, we have discussed the concept of the potential energy of the dipole when it is held in a placed in a uniform electric field. Okay? So on that concept here, we are going to discuss few examples so that we can clear the concept. Now one by one. Now to save the time here, I have written all the examples here. 4 examples here we are going to discuss. Now we will start the very first example now. See, what is the example? A water particle of mass 10 milligram. A water particle of mass 10 milligram and having a charge of 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb stays suspended in a room. Stays suspended in a room. मतलब जैसे कि ये रूम है और यहाँ पे जैसे कि ये चार्ज है, तो ये चार्ज एज इट इज सस्पेंडेड है, मतलब यहीं पे है, बराबर है कि नहीं? तो इट स्टेज सस्पेंडेड इन ए रूम. ओके, हमको पूछा है कि व्हाट इज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड इट्स डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, थोड़ी देर यहाँ पे हमको क्या क्या दिया है हम देखेंगे. हियर नाउ वी विल सॉल्व व्हाट आर द गिवन क्वांटिटीज. हियर वी विल सी क्या दिया है. द वेरी फर्स्ट हियर मास जब that water particle is there, it is 10 milligram. But we know for a calculation we always require SI units, and we know that mass is measured in kilogram in SI. Therefore we have to convert this milligram into gram, kilogram. Therefore now 10 into milli मतलब 10 to the power minus 3 और फिर ग्राम है, ग्राम के ऊपर क्या करने पड़ेंगे, किलोग्राम. दैट मीन्स अगेन 10 to the power minus 3. अब ये बन गया किलोग्राम. कितना हो जाएगा? इट इज नाउ 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 6 और 10 to the power 1 मतलब 10 to the power minus 5 kg. This is the mass of that water object. Okay. Another quantity is given having a charge 1.5. That means Q is given. Q is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Now these two quantities, and it is asked what is the magnitude of electric field and its direction. Okay. Now we have to solve this example. Now for that here, directly here I am writing now this 10 milligram which is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 kilogram. Now which concept, जैसे कि कहा है कि the particle stays suspended, जैसे कि मैंने बताया. Now what are the forces acting on the particle? Surely if it is the particle, one force will be act, and that will be downward direction. What is that force? That force is nothing but it is its weight. Its weight, and the weight is W is equal to m into g, which is nothing but it is a gravitational force. Mass into g, acceleration due to gravity. Now see the drop is suspended. That means the drop is in equilibrium. That means exactly equal and opposite force must be acting on the drop. Now there is the presence of electric field now. Okay, charge है and what is the magnitude of electric field? बराबर है कि नहीं? That means here some another force is acting on the drop, and that force is nothing but that force is electric force, whose value is given by F equal to Q into E. Okay, we know that. What is that? E equal to F upon Q. It is force per unit charge. Therefore, electric force is equal to E into Q. And that means this equilibrium is there. That is the reason why the droplet is suspended. Now it is asked to find this value of E. Therefore, which concept now we have to use here to solve this? We have to use here that electric force get balanced by the weight. The weight of a droplet get balanced by the electric force acting on a that water droplet. बराबर है. And therefore now here electric force, it should be equal to the weight of drop या particle. Now what is the magnitude of electric force? अभी मैंने बताया this is Q into E equal to weight is always equal to m into g. And therefore now we have to calculate E. Therefore E equal to m into g upon q. Put the value and you have the answer. Value put करो answer. क्या होगा? Equal to what is m? M we have to use this 10 raised to power minus 5 into g. Its standard value we have to set is 9.8 upon q. Q means this 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. ठीक. Now this 10 raised to power minus 5, 10 raised to power minus 6 ये ऊपर आएगा 10 raised to power 6 हो जाएगा 10 raised to power 6 10 raised to power minus 5 मतलब 10. मतलब हमारे पास क्या बचेगा अभी? It will be now 9.8 divided by 1.5 into 10 ऊपर जाएगा. Now we have to solve this thing. ये 9.8 upon 1.5 हमको सॉल्व करना है. जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे मैं करता हूँ. Now it becomes 98 upon 15. 98 upon 15 मतलब 98 को 15 से हमको डिवाइड करना है. देखते हैं यहाँ पे इसका डिवीजन करके कितना आता है. तो ठीक है कितना जाएगा 6 15 6 हाँ 90 कितना बचा है 8 ये हो जाएगा 6.15 5 का जाएगा 15 into 5 75 ये हो गया 5. ठीक है ये 50 then 15 3 45 again 5 again and therefore it becomes like this. ठीक है therefore our answer will be now E equal to कितना आएगा ये हमारा आया था 6.53 into 10 मतलब now it becomes E equal to 65.33 Newton per coulomb. E equal to, and this is the magnitude of the electric field which is present in the room. Therefore, the answer is now okay 65.33 और एक 3 हम यहाँ ले सकते हैं. ठीक है 33 इसके बाद न्यूटन पर coulomb. Next question is there. What is that? What is the direction? Direction के बारे में अभी तुरंत पता चल गया है कि नहीं? The direction of electric field must be upward direction, and therefore E bar will act in the upward direction, and this will be magnetic. Now this is the example. ठीक है. Now we will try to discuss the second example. An electric dipole consists of positive and negative charge of 4 microcoulomb. Charge two charges क्योंकि डाइपोल है. One will be plus 4 microcoulomb, another will be minus 4 microcoulomb. Each placed at a distance of 5 mm. That means this 5 mm millimeter is the distance between two charges. Calculate the dipole moment. Dipole moment हमको पूछा है. ठीक है. Now see क्या क्या दिया है हमको. Here given Q is given. I am writing plus minus 4 microcoulomb. That means one charge will be plus 4 microcoulomb, another will be minus. We have to write in. Now it becomes 4 into micro मतलब 10 raised to power minus 6 in SI. What are the next quantities given? It is said that he placed at a distance of 5 millimeter. That means this, what is the 5 millimeter? 5 millimeter is nothing but it is the length of dipole. And what is the length of dipole? We should know. Once if it is minus q and if it is plus q. Then we know that this is the dipole. Then this is called as the length of dipole, which is equal to 2a. This is the center of dipole. बराबर है कि नहीं? And therefore it is placed 2 mm के इसका मतलब हमको 2a की वैल्यू दी है. That 2a is equal to 5 millimeter. But again we know that 5 will not work. We have to convert in meter. Therefore 5 into milli 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. ठीक है? Now it is asked to find electric dipole moment. What is the formula? P. ठीक है नहीं? P bar, which is acting in this direction. Its formula is 2a bar into q. Direction is from minus q to plus q, and its magnitude is 2a into. The magnitude पूछा है. Therefore dipole moment P equal to, I am writing 2a into q, its magnitude. Put the value and answer. That is 2a, 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Q, magnitude of either charge. What is that? 4 microcoulomb. 4 micro मतलब 10 raised to the power minus 6. That is 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 equal to. कितना हुआ? 5 into 4 ये होगा 20 और 10 raised to the power minus 3, 10 raised to the power minus 6, 10 raised to the power minus 9. Minus 9. ठीक है? और finally we can write therefore P equal to 2 into ये किया तो हमने 2 into ये 10 raised to the power 1 होगा और minus 9 मतलब 10 raised to the power minus 8. What will be the unit? Unit will be coulomb meter. It is electric dipole moment. You know that charge is in coulomb. This distance is meter, and therefore this much will be the answer. This much coulomb meter. Therefore this is the answer for the second question. Okay. 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. It should be the answer. Now next example here we will discuss, that is third. See what is the example? An electric dipole consists of two charges 0.1 microcoulomb separated by a distance of 2 cm. The dipole is placed in an external electric field of 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. What maximum torque does field exert on the dipole? What maximum torque does field exert on the dipole? ठीक है? So this, the magnitude of charge is given 2 centimeter. What should be? It is nothing but it is the length of dipole. And therefore, according to the example here, we can summarize the example. Things which are given, one is given Q. Q equal to, I am simply writing it is now 0.1 microcoulomb. Means what? 0.1 microcoulomb. It is 0.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb. Or 0.1 means again it is 10 raised to the power minus 1. This 10 raised to the power minus 1, 10 raised to the power, it becomes now 10 raised to the power minus 7 coulomb. 0.1 मतलब 1/10. 1/10 मतलब 10 raised to the power minus 1. 10 raised to the power minus 1, 10 raised to the power minus 6, and 10 raised to the power minus 7. Therefore Q हो गई. Next is given, what is this 2 centimeter? This is nothing but it is 2a. Therefore now 2a equal to 2 centimeter. Now we have to again write it in meter. That is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. So से divide करना है 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. And one more thing is given. What is that? Electric field is given. E. इसका magnitude कितना है? 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per. What is asked? What is the maximum torque? Maximum torque does the field exert on the dipole. Now we have seen the formula for tau max. What is the formula for tau max? It is P/E sin 90. Okay, जनरल फार्मूला आपको मालूम है, टॉर्क इक्वल टू P/E sin थीटा. ये कहां से आता है? ये यहां से आता है. टॉ बार इक्वल P bar cross of E bar, where theta is the angle between P bar and E bar. बराबर है कि now when the आपको पता होगा when the dipole is held in a uniform electric field by making an angle of 90 degree, then it will experience a maximum torque. That means theta should be 90, क्योंकि 9 sin 90 that is plus 1 है कि नहीं. Now if like this is there, that is theta equal to 0, it exerts a minimum torque. बराबर है कि नहीं. Therefore we have to use this formula to solve this now. PE sin 90, and we know what is sin 90, it is 1, therefore it becomes PP. यहाँ कहीं भी आपको P नहीं दिखता है, लेकिन we know we can have the value of P. यहाँ से हम P जनरेट कर सकते कि नहीं. Therefore I am writing here tau max equal to this P is dipole moment. As per the formula it is 2A into Q. Then E हो गया. Just put the value. अब हमारे पास सब दिया है, बस कैलकुलेशन करना है. 2A की वैल्यू कितना होगा? 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Q what is given? 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. E 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Just have calculation हो गया. ये तो सब 10 to the power minus 2 minus 7 minus 9 और ये 5 कितना minus 4, that means 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 tau max. इसकी यूनिट एक तो होना चाहिए न्यूटन मीटर या फिर जूल. इसको जूल भी कहेंगे. ठीक है. This much will be the answer, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. This much torque will be experienced by the dipole when it is placed in a electric field. Tau maximum torque. ठीक है. This is the answer. Now next we have to see third example. Answer is there. To enter. Next fourth example we will discuss. An electric dipole of moment. इसका moment हमको दिया है. Electric dipole of moment 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulometer is aligned in a uniform electric field at 1.44 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Calculate the potential energy of dipole at 60 degree with the direction of electric field. ठीक है. Once again, read it carefully. An electric dipole of moment 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulometer is aligned in a uniform electric field. इसका अर्थ is aligned in a direction of electric field. That means the dipole is aligned in the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field, suppose, and your dipole is also aligned in the direction. That means this is minus Q, this is plus Q, that means this is the direction of P bar. Therefore, what is the angle between dipole? We can say that dipole moment and E bar, that is the 0. That means dipole is initially aligned in the direction of electric field. Now it is asked, calculate the potential energy of a dipole at 60 degree. यदि वहां से हमको वहां 60 डिग्री तक हमने उसको क्या क्या रोटेट किया, तो कितनी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी उसमें स्टोर होती है, ये हमको पूछा. ठीक है. तो डायरेक्टली है डायपोल मोमेंट हमको दिया है P इक्वल टू हाउ मच, P इक्वल टू 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 कूलम मीटर हमको दिया है. बदलने की आवश्यकता नहीं, ऐसा आया है. उसके बाद में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दी है E इक्वल टू 1.44 into 10 to the power 4 न्यूटन पर कूलम. ओके. Now calculate the potential energy of a dipole at 60. मैंने बताया initially what was the initial angle here? Initial angle is theta 1. It is 0 degree. And what is the value of theta 2? It is 60 degree. मतलब dipole is rotated from theta 1 to theta 2. That is from 0 degree to 60 degree. And in rotating that, whatever the work has to be done, that work done will be stored in the form of potential energy. And that potential energy now we have to calculate. Okay, what is the formula? Potential energy, you should know. याद आता है फॉर्मूला? क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो एंगल है हमको, θ1 θ2, therefore we have to put that formula in terms of the work done. Now here minus PE ब्रैकेट में cos θ1 sorry cos θ2 minus cos θ1. This is the formula. जब हम वर्क डन के लिए सॉल्व करते हैं ना, दिस फॉर्मूला है minus P cos θ2 minus cos θ1. Put the value I have equal to minus P is already given 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8 coulomb meter. E is given 1.44 into 10 raised to power 4 ब्रैकेट में cos θ2. What is the value of θ2? 60. Cos 60 minus cos 0 equal to माइनस, यहाँ थोड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे हम 5 इंटू 4 0 दोनों है 7 हाँ ये हो गया 7.2. इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया 7.2. नाउ 10 raised to power minus 8 10 raised to power 4 कितना बचेगा 10 raised to power minus 4. ठीक है, cos ब्रैकेट cos 60 is 1/2 मतलब 0.2 minus cos 0 is 1. ठीक है, नो u equal to (0.5 minus 1). 0.5 मतलब आधा. ये क्या करना, एक में से आधा गया तो क्या आधा बचेगा, लेकिन नेगेटिव, और वो नेगेटिव और ये नेगेटिव क्या हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव. तो फाइनली it becomes 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 0.5. सॉल्व करो, पास में मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद देगा हाँ 5 ठीक है, और 2 के बाद 3.6 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Therefore the answer value now 3.6 into 10 raised to power minus 4 joule, and this is the answer. 3.6 into 3.6 into 10 raised to power minus 4 joule. This is the answer. So in this way we have discussed some example so that you can get the idea how to solve the examples. If the example based on the concept of electric force, electric field, then electric dipole moment, when the electric dipole is placed in an electric field, or potential energy of a dipole when it is rotated in a uniform electric field. Okay, so try for more and more examples just to clear the concept. Okay, thank you.